So here I have pulled up the NZD CHF chart, hourly chart, New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss franc. And today I caught a 100 pip move, a buy position. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how and why I took the trade. So we came down here, or we went up here. We took this liquidity up here, came back down, and we broke this structure here. So this was a demand zone that I marked up, and so I considered this as a high that was taken out. So we blew past this demand zone, which was right here. We blew past this demand zone right here, which I was looking to buy from, but we broke structure and blew past it. So when we came down here, I was looking for a reaction out of this area. So this is how I trade. Normally, I have POIs or demand zones, supply zones that I would buy or sell from. And once I see this, I just drop down to the lower time frame, wait for my confirmation. And if my confirmation presents itself, I just take the trade, win, lose, or draw. I take the same setup over and over again. So this is a trade I took today. So price rejected my area, as you've seen on the 1 hour. If you look on the 1 hour chart, price rejected it right here. But when you drop down to a smaller time frame, it breaks down the candle a little bit more. You see more information. So we came out of here, shot up, broke this high right here. I consider this as a change of character. So once I saw the change of character, that confirmed my trade. So I marked up this demand zone right here, because this demand zone pushed price past this area. If you look on the, well, actually, this is the 5 minute. I took this trade from the 3 minute chart, actually. But so yeah, I marked up this demand zone because this demand zone was already mitigated a few times. So right here, this move right here was off of this demand zone. So that was already mitigated, and we had liquidity left. We had liquidity left behind right here. So I marked this up and I just waited patiently for price to come back, and it came back. I entered the trade and it played out flawlessly. So once we came back into this area, I literally had my buy position set for here, and my stop loss was about a few pips below my demand zone, as always, and my target was here, and we absolutely smashed it. Literally, we rejected it right off of my area, and boom, and this area was my point of interest right here. So I mean, it's just that simple, guys. Like, it's not simple, but at the same time, it can be simple once you figure out how and why and where you're entering the trades at, and it just happens. Like, this wasn't really a big move, but it was a big enough move for me today. So this was the only trade that I took, and as you see, right after we hit my area, my take profit area, we just fell off. So yeah, hopefully this is the start of Monday. Let's hope tomorrow gives a better trade, a bigger trade, or no trade, and we don't take no trade. But let's hope for the best. See you guys on the next one.